So in this section, we'll just see how to set the default opening page to Google within the Internet Explorer. Now, first of all, you need to open the Internet Explorer. Then you click on this little gear icon here, the Tools icon. Then you go to Internet Options, and within Internet Options there, you can just type in the Google homepage, click on OK, and that will set it to display the Google page whenever you open the Internet Explorer. So if I close this down, bring it up, as you can see by default it goes straight to Google.